Hello again everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple paper airplane. This paper airplane is a new design and this is based on the Swallow. As you already know, the Swallow is a traditional paper airplane and this is one of the best paper airplane ever. So if you're curious about the origin of the plane, this is a paper airplane designed by me based on the traditional paper airplane. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. If you do not have US letter size paper, just use A4 paper and it should work as well. The first step is to fold the paper in half. You need to make sure that all edges are lined up, and then you can press the paper down slowly to create a center crease. Next, open the paper. Flatten it out, always flatten the paper down. Adjust the paper, and then start from this upper edge, fold it toward the other side. Slowly, and once all the edges are lined up, press down to create a crease. Press it slowly, and then crease it down. Now, unfold the paper. Flatten the paper down again. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Start from this edge, fold toward the other edge, and press down the paper. Press it down. Make sure that all edges are lined up. If it's not lined up well, just adjust it. Now press down the paper. Press it down. Alright, and now unfold the paper. Flatten it out. Flip it over. Start from this side of the paper, push it, and then fold the upper part of the paper down. Make sure that all edges and creases are lined up. So this edge, and this crease, and also this crease as well. So fold down. Press down the paper. Next step, let's unfold the paper. Flip it over and push this part of the paper down. Press this down. 1, 2, 3. Press this down. Here we go. It pop up. So this will be much easier for you to do the next step. Now we start from this step. I fold to the center crease, and I repeat the same fold for the other side. And now I can fold this upper part down. Just fold it straight down. Very, very simple. Next step, let's turn the paper like this, and then I fold this part of the paper up. Just fold straight up like this. Press down the paper. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Start from this side, fold straight up, and press down the paper. Here we go. So this is what you have. Next step, open the paper. Open this part of the paper. I can press this part of the paper down to create a square. Now I have a perfect square, and then I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Open the layer, press this down to create a square. Press this down, and this looks very, very nice. Here we go. On the following step, I will open this part of the paper up, and if you already know how to fold the crayon, the traditional crayon, this will be the same step. Start from this edge, fold it to the center crease, adjust the paper, adjust it slowly, first toward the center crease, right? One side at a time. Finish this side first, adjust it here, repeat the same part here, and press down the paper. So we have one side of the paper. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So you can hold the paper up like this and press it down. So it's just like the crayon. Okay. So we have this part of the paper. You can fold it up like this, so it will look more like a crayon. Okay. I'll fold it up like this, or I can fold this part down. That's just very cool, right? Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. And how to turn the paper this way? That place the paper like this. I can see this part of the paper so that I can fold this part, right? I start from the edge, fold it slowly to the center crease, and repeat the same fold for the other side. Press down the paper here, and press down the paper there. So I have this side, and then I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Adjust the paper, adjusted it, and press it down. Press it down. And now I can fold this part of paper down. So I have the shape of the paper like this. Alright, this looks really, really cool already. Right. On the following step, I will start from this side. I can fold it up like this, press it down, and I repeat the same fold for the other side. You can see that it looks like a heart. This looks very cool. And next, I can flip the paper over and then fold the whole part of the paper here down. I push this really, really hard. A little bit further, right? I can push this down so that this one pop up, this one pop up. Adjust it a little bit, adjust it here a little bit as well. See? Now you can see this part of the paper and the other part of the paper pop out. So let's create a head of the paper airplane. This looks really cool. See? Now I can flip the paper over. You can see the heart. The heart is right here. You see the heart? Alright. Okay. Next step, you can see this part of the paper, that part right here, right? To make it look more like a heart, I fold it straight down here. Straight down like this. So you can see the heart pop up. I press this down here, and I repeat the same fold for the other side. I fold this part of paper down, press this to the center crease, and now it looks really weird. Now it looks so cool like this. On this side, it will look like a heart. Right. So this paper airplane need a few more folds to make it fly well. This is the heart. So think about a crane. You can fold this side to make it more like a crane. I can fold it like this. So it look like a bird. This side will look more like a head of the bird. And I repeat the same fold for the other side. And then make another head of the bird. Right? Look really unique. Right? And I can fold the paper in half so that I can fly it. And fold it in half like this. Alright. And I can fold this part of paper down to create a wing. Just fold it down this side. And then I can fold it the same way for the other side. Press down the paper. There we go. So now I can open the paper. You can see it's more like a heart with the head of the bird. Really weird, but weird fly. Let's see. Let's start from this edge, fold straight up to create the stabilizer. Repeat the same fold for the other side to create the stabilizer. Fold this part of paper up as well. Okay. And you hold the paper close together. You can see the heart, the head of the bird, and the wings. I will press this down really hard. Okay. Now here you go. This is a new paper airplane. I hope that you guys will enjoy making this plane along with me. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel.